Here we have question 11. You're going to find the area now. Okay, so if you label the parts again, this is A, this is B, and this is C at 1, 9, and then connect it. Here you go. Okay, so now let's label it. A 1 2 3 4 5 6, and B is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, but notice this can also be seen as your height, so you can erase this and just put height is equal to 8, and then A is equal to 6, or you can actually say the base is equal to 6, because the reason why is because the formula of area is going to be 1/2 base times height. So it's going to be 1/2 base is 6 times 8. So 1/2 times 6 is 3 times 8 is 24 units. Okay, squared. That would be the area of this triangle.